Yo, stop scrolling right now, because what you're looking at on screen is either the most beautiful car ever built in the 21st century or the greatest automotive fever dream Mercedes-Benz has ever cooked up. Either way, you need to see this. Up front, a massive vertical bar chrome grille, flanked by ultra-thin wraparound LED headlights. Hood ornament, illuminated three-pointed star. From the side, wire-spoke wheels with white wall tires, period-correct styling on state-of-the-art rubber. Out back, a full-width LED light bar cuts across the entire rear, Art Deco tail clusters, and Mercedes-Benz laser-etched into the lower fascia. This is not a car. This is a moving sculpture. Step inside and it gets even better. Cognac Napa leather with hand-stitched diamond quilting covers every seat surface. The dashboard is wrapped in genuine Macassar ebony wood, dark brown with natural streaks from door to door, with polished chrome knobs and analog gauges. Dead center of the dash, a hand-wound IWC Schaffhausen clock, one of 10 ever made, exclusive to this car. The steering wheel has an actual walnut rim. The carpet is deep pile merino wool, and the infotainment screen is flush-mounted so seamlessly into the wood you barely notice it, because that's the point. Open top, no roof, no compromise. Pure roadster. Under that massive hood, a hand-built AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. One man builds your engine, start to finish, then signs his name on a plaque bolted to the block. Numbers: 630 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Top speed, 186 miles per hour. Custom titanium exhaust tuned by AMG acoustic engineers, because yes, that's a real job. And it sounds absolutely biblical. No hybrid, no electric assist, pure combustion. On purpose, as a statement. Here's the part that'll make your jaw drop. $3.2 million US. Base. Options: custom paint, bespoke luggage, personalized IWC dials. Push most builds to $4 to $4.5 million. And Mercedes will build exactly 10 units total for the entire world. The waitlist already has 80+ qualified buyers. You can't walk into a dealer. Mercedes calls you. Bugatti Mistral, $5 million, 1,600 horsepower, all sold out. Faster, but not this beautiful. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $30 million, 3 units ever. More exclusive, but the 500K has more soul. Bentley Bacalar, gorgeous at $1.9 million, but not in this league of drama. The 500K plays in a category it invented, and it's the only car in it. The 2026 Mercedes 500K Spezial Roadster is the most significant luxury car of the 21st century. Not the fastest, not the most powerful, but the most meaningful. In a world rushing toward electric minimalism, Mercedes looked back to 1936 and brought that soul forward into 2026. Drop a comment. Is this Mercedes' greatest creation ever? Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.